In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change tempo in Audacity without changing the pitch, step by step. This is a really useful trick if you want your audio to play faster or slower while keeping the voice, music, or instrument sounding natural. Whether you're editing a podcast, music clip, voice recording, or any other audio project, this method can save you a lot of time and give you much better control over the final result. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump into Audacity and get started. First, open your project in Audacity and decide what part of the audio you want to adjust. If you only want to change tempo for a specific section, click and drag across the waveform to highlight the audio section you want to edit. If you want to apply the change to the entire track, press Ctrl-A on your keyboard to select everything at once. Taking a moment to select the correct audio is important because the tempo change will only affect the highlighted portion. Once your audio is selected, look at the top menu and click Effect. This is where Audacity keeps most of its audio processing tools. After that, find and click Pitch and Tempo. In that menu, choose Change Tempo. This option is specifically designed to alter the speed of your audio without shifting the pitch, which is exactly what we want here. Now you'll see the Change Tempo window open up. In the center of that window, you'll find the % change slider. If you want your audio to play faster, move the slider to the right. If you want to slow it down, move the slider to the left. As you adjust the slider, Audacity will calculate the tempo change for you, making it easy to preview how much faster or slower the track will become. You can also watch the values update as you move the slider, which helps you fine-tune the result before applying it. For example, a small positive percentage will slightly speed up the track, while a negative percentage will make it slower. The key thing to remember is that this changes tempo only, so the pitch stays the same and your audio still sounds natural. When you're happy with the adjustment, click Apply. Audacity will process the selected audio and update the tempo immediately. Depending on the length of your track and the size of the change, this may take a few seconds. Once it's finished, play the audio back so you can hear the difference and make sure it sounds exactly the way you want. If it feels too fast, too slow, or not quite right, you can always undo the change and try again with a different percentage. That's one of the best parts of working in Audacity. You can experiment until you get the perfect result. This makes it very easy to adjust music timing, match voiceovers to video, or create a more natural pacing for your project. So just to recap, highlight your audio, or select the whole track with Ctrl-A, go to Effect, choose Pitch and Tempo, click Change Tempo, adjust the % change slider to speed up or slow down the audio, and then click Apply. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more Audacity tutorials, audio editing tips, and beginner-friendly software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.